I'm going to show you how can you use these transitions inside of DaVinci Resolve. So here I am in DaVinci Resolve. I'm using DaVinci Resolve 16.2. And how can you open this project? Go to File, Project Manager, right click, Restore Project from Archive, and choose the Toolkit Transitions Toolkit.dra folder and open it. So in here I have two images, two footages, and I want to use transition between this cat at this point. So in Final Rhythm we have all transitions. You see that we have three categories. We have circles, we have abstracts, and bars. So all of them are you can use all of them in the same way, and you can change placeholder. And I'm going to show you as an example for circles. If I go to this one and just drag and drop it on the cat in here like this. So once you drop it, you see that we have this placeholder's image. How can you change that? So first thing, put this on track 3 and put the first video here and make it a little bit longer, just in this point, exact same point of a transition, exact time of transition, and make this one as well. This is the image 2, and make it longer at the start point of the transition. So now make a cat here and here. So now we have two images. This is our first image. So you can copy this, copy, go to placeholders, image, and choose your category. We are in circle. We have used circle ones, and the number 6. So the first image, just open it in timeline, delete this one, paste it in here, and copy this one, the second one, copy, go to image B, and one timeline, delete this one as well, and paste it in here. Just make sure that it is on the starting point, the 0 point, not here, because it will be not working. So now if I play this, you see that. And you can do it for all of these other transitions in these categories, bars, abstracts, and other ones. And if you want to just preview them, go to here, open it in timeline. We have a preview timeline here, and you can see how which template you want to use. You can preview it in this timeline. It takes a little bit of time because we have lots of timelines, and if I zoom in, you see that all of the transitions are in here. You can just copy them from here and paste it on your cat and other timeline. So guys, and one thing more is that you can change the color. How can you change color? For example, if I go to all transition, circles, 6, just click, double click on it, it will be open on the individual sequence. And now you see that we have this video in here. This is our main transition shapes, and if you click in here, go to open effects, and now you can change colors like this. If I want to do it for the other one, you see that all of them are the same. They are working in the same way, and you can change like this. So guys, that was it. If you had any question, feel free to reach me out, and we will see you next time.